So we have this question: solve this mountainous equation. So the method that is recommended here is substitution methods. So I'll write my first equation. I'll say x plus y equals to 2. So from here I want to make y the subject of the formula. So I'll say y equals to 2. Then x, since here it was positive, when it goes to the other side it becomes negative, so it will be negative x. So I've formed the equation 1. From here now I'll write this, the bottom equation of the second equation. So it will be 4y squared minus x squared equals to 11. So here where there is y, I'm going to put this equation. So it will be 4 open brackets, I'll put 2 minus x raised to the power 2 minus x squared equals to 11. From here now I'll say 4 open bracket, I'll expand this, I'll say 2 minus x, even here I'll say 2 minus x minus x squared equals to 11. I'll write 4 open bracket, so I'll start multiplying. 2 times 2, it will give me 4. 2 times negative x, it will give me negative 2x. Then I'll also do the same. Negative x times positive 2, it will be minus 2x. Then negative x times negative x, it will be positive x squared minus x squared equals to 11. From here I'll say 4, I'll add this is the like term, so it will be negative 4x plus x squared close bracket minus x squared equals to 11. So from here I'll start now multiplying by 4 in order to remove this bracket. So I'll say 4 times 4, it will give me 16. 4 times negative 4x, it will give me negative 16x. Then 4 times positive x squared will be plus 4x squared minus x squared equals to 11. From here I'll subtract this. Since these are like terms, I'll say 4x squared minus x, it will give me 3x squared, then minus 16x plus 16 equals to 11. The reason why I've done this, I want to arrange it in a quadratic equation. So from here I'll take this 11 to come this side, so it will be 3x squared minus 16x plus 16, then minus 11 equals to 0. So from here I'll say 3x squared minus 16x, 16 minus 11, it will be positive 5 equals to 0. From here I'll look for product sum factors. Since my equation it is in quadratic equation form, so from here for a product you multiply 3 by 5, which will give me 15. And for the sum, it's the middle number here, which is negative 16. Just get the coefficient, not the variable. And for the factors, I'll look for two numbers whereby when I multiply them, they are going to give me positive 15. And when I add them, they are going to give me negative 16. So those two numbers are negative 1, comma, negative 15. So that when I multiply negative 1 times negative 15, I'll get positive 15. And when I add these two numbers, I should be able to get negative 16. So I'll come here again, 3x squared. So where there's negative 16 here, I'm going to replace with these factors. So it will be negative x minus 15x plus 5 equals to 0. So from here now, I'll put this into brackets equation. Then here I'll factor out which one is common. I'll see x is common. Once we remove 1x there, we'll just remain with 3x minus. So once you remove x there, you will remain with 1. So here again, which one is common there? I'll say negative 5. So here it will be just 3x. So here to be negative 1 equals to 0. The reason why I'm putting a negative there, so that when I multiply negative 5 times negative 1, I should be able to go back to positive 5. So from here, since these two guys are common, I'll just pick one and say 3x minus 1 and x minus 5 equals to 0. From here now, just equate this equation to 0. So I'll say 3x minus 1 equals to 0, or x minus 5 equals to 0. So from here I'll say 3x, this it will go the other side, so it becomes positive, so it will be 1. You divide by 3 there, even here by 3, so it will be x equals to 1 over 3. I'll do the same thing, so here it will be x equals to positive 5. So these will be our values for x. But remember, earlier on we said y should be equal to 2 minus x. So now here we'll say when x equals to 1 over 3, what about y? So y it will be equals to 2 minus, so where there is x, let us put this, so it will be 1 over 3. So from here it will be y equals to, there I'll put 1, so the common denominator here to be 3. So 1 into 3 it is 3, 3 times 2 to be 6, minus 3 into 3 it's 1, 1 times 1 there it will be 1. So our value for y here to be 5 over 3. So therefore our first coordinates, it will give us 1 over 3 comma 5 over 3. We'll do the same thing here again. We'll say, what about when x equals to 5? So here it will be y equals to 2 minus, where there is x, let us put 5, so our y will be negative 3. I say therefore our coordinates here it will be positive 5 comma negative 3. So these will be our values.